A salutation to everyone, grade 4 learners. Today we'll be talking about natural sciences. Our topic is about life and living. The information have been gathered from the book, internet, and also on Google. And living and non-living things. Lesson objective: by the end of the lesson, learners will be able to give example of what living things are, explain what action and changes in plant and animals that help them to live are called. Students will be able to compare living and non-living things. Students will be able to identify characteristics of living things and non-living things. Students will be able to identify plant, animal, and people as living things. Name, explain, and motivate the teaching strategy that you are going to follow. Inquiry-based learning. This approach involves engaging students in the learning process by allowing them to explore and inquire about the subject matter rather than simply memorizing facts and listening to the lecturers. The students are encouraged to ask questions, collaborate, and research the material to develop their understanding. Lesson phases: introduction that connects with prior knowledge and describe the purpose of the lesson. Development of content and connects with the prior knowledge. Consolidation. Introduction that connects with prior knowledge and describe the purpose of the lesson. The learners should name any living and non-living things they have at home. Distinguish the difference between the two. The purpose of the learners to be able to classify the living and non-living thing, knowing which one can move and which one cannot move by itself. Development of content and connects with prior knowledge. The learners should tell what they know about living things and non-living things, what the living thing can do and what they are needed of living to be able to survive. Consolidation. Draw one living thing, draw one non-living thing. What are the two types of living things? What are the living things need to survive? Assessment during the lesson. Questions: does the living thing breathe? Can the non-living thing walk? Is the cat a living thing? Give a reason for your answer. Is a book a living thing? Give a reason for your answer. Is dancing part of the 7 life processes? Answers: yes, no, yes because it can move and breathe, no because it cannot breathe, no. Homework: what is a living thing? What is a non-living thing? List 2 examples of living things. List 2 examples of non-living things. List 7 life processes. What can a living thing do which the non-living thing cannot do? Reflection: this group of learners was great because they remembered a lot about the lesson and they also feel accounted in parts of the class. The lesson was delivered well. I didn't even get much time to involve my speaking as they show interest in the lesson and wanting to show their point of view on understanding the topic. By creating more class activities will allow the individual to show their understanding